Good morning, students. So as I told you already in your previous lecture that we are going to start with the side plan diagrams, right? So for that, what you need is you just go through this lecture properly, that is go through the video properly, so that you can understand how you are going to take the measurements, how you're going to convert it, and how properly a side plan is to be drawn. Okay, and this question will be for 20 marks. I hope I'm clear for you. This side plan diagram is a small diagram, but this will be carrying either for 10 marks or either it will sometimes come also for 20 marks. Okay, go through the question paper once and then you can just check there. Right, so coming down here to the first problem. Okay, now see here. What they have told is draw a plan of layout to a scale of 1:200. So see here the scale is what? 1:200 with following details. Okay, so this had come in the question paper which was in 2010, November 2010. Okay, and see what you are going to do is calculate the maximum percentage coverage. What is exactly the coverage area, that all you have to calculate here. Okay. Yes, so they have given some details here, given data, that is site dimension कितना है 15 मीटर इंटू 20 मीटर, मतलब प्लॉट साइजेज ऑफ 15 इंटू 20 मीटर. नॉर्थ टू साउथ कितना है 20 मीटर, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट how much it is 15 मीटर. They have given the details about road width. Okay, there is a road front of the building और इसका width कितना है 12 meters north side, and this is all about the setbacks, front, rear, right, left. So you already know what is the setback. जो स्पेस आप बिल्डिंग के साइड्स में छोड़ते हो, the space what you leave at the sides of the building, okay, for some purpose, that is maybe for parking purpose, for gardening purpose, for a tank purpose, for wells, whatever. So all these things are your setbacks. So उसका उन्होंने dimensions भी दिया है. Okay, so let's just start with the problem, how you want to solve this. Now what was the question? They have told you to draw a plan of layout to a scale of 1:200. So scale is given to you. Okay, now how you are going to draw this in your sheets. Usually अगर आपका ये offline class रहता था तो you could have done it in your sheet itself, that is drawing sheet. Okay, but now since it is an online class, I will just tell you in a A4 paper, I'll just tell you how to draw this, but same thing you have to also try it at your home. Okay, try drawing it properly according to the scale. So let's just start with this, the problem, right? Yes, so coming here, let us just start here. Now what they have given is, the first thing what is very important to you is the site dimension, right? Site dimension in the question they have given it as 15 meter into 20 meters. So this is the site dimension. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? प्लॉट साइज. साइट डायमेंशन का मतलब ही क्या है? प्लॉट का साइज है 15 इंटू 20 मीटर. ओके, बट वन थिंग इज चेंज्ड ओवर हियर इज they have given the scale here, right? What is the scale now? 1:200. Okay, right? But let us just not confuse with the first problem itself. Let us take this as 1:100 scale itself. Getting this? In your next lectures, I will teach you 1:50 and 1:200 scale, because those scale will have some calculations, but 1:100 will not have any calculations. So since this is your first problem of your diagram, let me not confuse you all with the calculations. We'll start with a simple problem by taking the scale of 1:100 itself. Okay, yes. Now they have given you the scale as how much? 1:100. तो प्लॉट का साइज कितना है? 15 मीटर इंटू 20 मीटर. So 15 meter. Okay, now you already know 1 meter is how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. समझ में आ रहा है ये? 1 मीटर इज हाउ मच सेंटीमीटर? 100 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, तो 15 मीटर्स मतलब कितना सेंटीमीटर? यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट दिस. 15 मीटर मतलब कितना सेंटीमीटर? सो जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई 15 इंटू 100. ओके, how much will get it as 150. 15 into 100 is how much? 150 सेंटीमीटर्स, राइट. तो आपको ये सेंटीमीटर में आपने कन्वर्ट किया. तो इम्पॉर्टेंट क्या है अभी ये? स्केल. सो 150 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. 0 0 will get cancelled. 15 divided by 10. It is nothing but 15 centimeters itself, right? Okay. So yes, this thing 15 into 100 is 1500. Okay, so there is a small mistake here. When you just calculate in your calculator, 15 meters into 100 is nothing but 1500 centimeters. Okay, so आप जब इस calculations में 1500 into 1 by 100 लेते हो तो ये कितना हो गया? 10 and 10 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 150 divided by 10. So कितना हो गया? 15 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, तो आपको ये 15 सेंटीमीटर ड्रॉ करना है. सो जस्ट सी हियर, आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग अ स्केल हियर, बट व्हाट यू हैव टू यूज इज योर ड्राफ्टर. ओके, just check out here 15 centimeters. So I'm just starting here from 0. Can you see this? This is the 0 end and this is the 15. So 0 to 15 centimeters. So just draw a straight line of 0 to 15 centimeters. Getting this? See here, I have just drawn a straight line of 0 to 15 centimeter because plot size क्या है? 15 into 20. Okay, so coming here, it might not fit in the. Okay, so let me just draw it once again because you need a broader paper, right? Okay, so I'm just drawing it once again. It is 15 centimeter. Yeah, I've drawn 15 centimeter. Now what is the plot size? 15 into 20. So मैंने 15 सेंटीमीटर ड्रॉ किया है. अभी वर्टिकल हाइट कितना है? 20. Okay, so let us draw this vertical height for 20 centimeter. So can you see this? If you are able to see this, see, this is the 20 centimeter edge. So I will just draw straight line. Okay. Okay, to see this, this is a 0 edge and I'm drawing a straight line, right? So this is what is your 15 centimeter. Same thing you're going to draw it towards the second side. This by taking 20 centimeter. So 0 to 20 I have drawn this side and you want to close this. So close this at 15. Okay, getting this? So I have just adjusted this sheet once again so that you are able to see this. So now what I have done is I have drawn a plot size of 15. Okay, and you see this? This is the width, which is 15 centimeter, and this is your complete length. Okay, that is 20 centimeter. So now I have drawn. Now see, can you see this? This is the complete sketch. Now what I have done is I have just drawn 15 into 20 centimeter. That is only the plot size I have drawn. Now what is important to you is you have to leave these setbacks. That is rear, right, left and front. Okay, now just check out in the question paper. If you can see here, they have given front. Okay, front side कितना है? 2.5 meter. So 2.5 मतलब कितना सेंटीमीटर हो गया? It is 2.5 centimeter itself. How you got that 2.5? Just check here. Okay, see in the calculations. So front setback, what they have given it as 2.5 meters. Okay, as you know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Okay, so 2.5 को आपको convert करना है सेंटीमीटर में. So what you want to do? Just multiply this by 100. So 2.5 into 100, which is nothing but 250 centimeters. Now just convert this 250 divided by 1 into 100. So here 0 0 will get cancelled. So 25 divided by 10 is remaining. Are you getting this? आपने मीटर को कन्वर्ट किया सेंटीमीटर में. So you have got 250 centimeter. But what is important here? Scale. So in the question they have given scale as 1 divided by 100. So what I have done is this 250 into 1 divided by 100 I have taken. So when you cancel this 0 0, what is remaining here? 25. I have written here 25 and 10 is remaining. So 25 divided by 10. So when you do this in calculator, 25 divided by 10, you will get it as 2.5 centimeters. Okay. So in this, just leave the setbacks from front side it is. Okay. So मेरे plot का front side यहाँ पे आ गया. Okay, from here. So I will just take this as 2.5 centimeter. Okay. So this is what is 2.5 centimeter. So I'll just draw a very light line first. Okay. Draw a light line. Now let us see towards the rear side. Okay. See in the question. Rear side is 1.5. Rear in the sense what? Back side. Right side में कितना है 2 मीटर and left side में कितना है 1.25 मीटर. Okay. See, we'll start with right side now. Okay. तो मेरा right side of the diagram is from here because this is your plot. So when you are standing here, your right side will be this and your left side will be towards this side. Okay. So in the question they have given right side as 2 meter. So from this side you are going to leave 2 centimeter. Okay. You can just draw this straight line and from here you can close. तो आपने क्या किया अभी? फ्रंट साइड से आपने सेटबैक छोड़ा है 2.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड राइट साइड से क्वेश्चन में कितना दिया 2. So 2 centimeter. What is important? Back side and left side. So in question, if you go through the question, left side, see left side they have given how much? 1.25. So let us take 1.25 now. From left side 1.2. Okay. Just check out here. From 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. And 2 in the sense what? You will count these points 1 and 2. So 5 in the sense you can take it between these two lines 1.25. So now you can close this. So you have drawn the setbacks from 3 sides. Now let us go to the back side. See, this rear side is nothing but back side itself. So rear is also called as back. कितना दिया है क्वेश्चन में 1.5 मीटर. ओके. तो यहाँ से बैक साइड से आपको कितना ड्रॉ करना है 1.5. 0 से स्टार्ट करना है एंड एंड करना है 1.5 पे. सो 1.5 सेंटीमीटर. So this finishes my setback. Okay. Okay, so we have finished drawing all 4 sides. So you can erase this later. So always prefer that you draw all light lines before. Okay. This is what is your diagram now. So ये जो पोर्शन आप देख रहे हो इसी पोर्शन में आप अपना बिल्डिंग ड्रॉ करोगे. ओके. दिस हैच्ड पोर्शन, दिस कवर्ड पोर्शन विल बी योर प्लेस वेर यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू कंस्ट्रक्ट योर बिल्डिंग. और ये जो साइड का है यहाँ पे मैंने जो छोड़ा है दिस माइट आइदर बी फॉर गार्डनिंग. पीछे आप कोई वेल्स बना सकते हो. Front you can do gardening things or maybe for parking purpose you can utilize this. So for many reasons. Okay. So this is what completes your built up area. So this is called as a built up area, and this complete is called as what? Your plot size. Now let us give the dimensions now. Okay, सी सिर्फ ड्रॉ करना इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, उसमें आपको डायमेंशंस भी मेंशन करना है एंड नेमिंग्स भी प्रॉपर्ली मेंशन करना है, देन ओनली योर डायग्राम इज कंप्लीट एंड देन ओनली यू कैन स्कोर फुल मार्क्स हियर. सिर्फ आपको ये प्लॉट ड्रॉ करके ख़त्म नहीं हो गया आपका काम, आपको यहाँ पे पूरा मेंशन करना है. सी इन द क्वेश्चन दे हैव गिवन रोड ऑल्सो. ओके, सो रोड विल ऑब्वियसली स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द एंट्रेंस. तो ये मेरा एंट्रेंस है, तो मैं ऐसे यहाँ पे रोड ड्रॉ करूंगी. ओके, सी दिस, आई हैव जस्ट ड्रॉन 2 लाइन्स एंड इसको आपको कट करना है by showing what? Extension lines. What is this extension line? You have already studied in your engineering drawing 1. ये extension lines क्यों रहते हैं? Because you don't know till what length your diagram is going to extend. Okay, इसका लेंथ कितना आपको पता नहीं. अभी आपको पता है कि आपके घर के सामने रोड है, बट ये रोड कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ है, कहाँ तक एंड हुआ है, यू डोंट नो कि उसका लेंथ कितना है. So just to show that there is a road front of your building, you should just show this with the extension lines. Okay, and what I want to write here is in the question, just come back here to the question, road width. Okay, road width is how much? 12 meters north side. Okay, they have given the direction also, 12 meter north side. So write it very nicely by using your 2H pencils and HB pencils. 12 meter WIDE, that is wide road. Okay, so this completes your road. मैंने रोड के बारे में मेंशन किया है. Okay, now we'll just mention the dimensions here. So this is your rear side. ओके, तो रेयर कितना है यहाँ पे दिया उन्होंने? 1.5 मीटर. आपने ऑलरेडी ड्रॉ किया है, बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू मेंशन द डायमेंशंस. सो रेयर साइड विद द एरो आई हैव शोन हियर 1.5 meters. नाउ लेट्स कम ओवर योर, दैट इज योर लेफ्ट साइड. ओके, सो लेफ्ट, तो लेफ्ट में कितना दिया है? इट इज 1.25 मीटर. डन. देन इन द फ्रंट साइड. Okay, so front side is how much? 2.5 meter. Then towards your right side, right here it is right side. तो right side कितना दिया है क्वेश्चन पेपर में? 2 meters. Okay, so see what I have done is I have drawn a road. Then I have shown what is the setback at front, right, left as well as rear side. मैंने mention किया है इसका dimensions. Plus I have written also कि this is rear side, this is right side and this is left side. Okay, तो ये काम अभी हो गया, आपने setbacks के बारे में mention किया है. Now ये क्या है आपका? अभी built up area है, तो इसको आपको क्या करना है? built up area को आपको portion covered करके दिखाना है यहाँ पे. So you are going to show this hatching like this. सो ये जो आप करते हो यूजुअली आप मिनी ड्राफ्टर यूज करते हो, राइट, एट एन एंगल ऑफ हाउ मच? 45 डिग्रीज. सो वेन एवर यू ड्रॉ दीज इंक्लाइंड लाइन्स यू टेक इट एज 45 डिग्री. ओके, सो आई हैव ड्रॉन दिस हैचिंग. Okay, just check out, I have just shown the hatching part here. So these lines will be at an angle of 45 degree. Okay, so ये क्या है? आपका साइट है, साइट नंबर. अगर आपको यहाँ पे साइट का नंबर लिखना है फाइन, अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट XYZ, साइट नंबर XYZ. मतलब अगर आपको इसको अननोन रखना है देन यू कैन राइट साइट नंबर एज XYZ. डन. ओके, now let us show the complete dimensions of the building. तो ये प्लॉट कितने का था? 15 into 20 मीटर. So properly show these arrows. This is 20 meter and come on top. Show this as 15 meter. Okay. This is 15 meter. So ये हो गया आपका plot size 15 meter into how much? 20 meter. Is it clear now? So this completes what your site plan. This is how you're going to draw. And इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा important क्या है, आपको scale लिखना है. After finishing the diagram, you just write. Usually you write it here down. Okay. नीचे आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है somewhere if you have space. That is scale is how much? 1:100. Okay. And show the direction. See how you want to show this like this. Okay, very important is what to you. Road is towards the north side. So north, east, south, west. This orientation is very important to you because आपका रोड कौन से साइड में है, आपकी बिल्डिंग नॉर्थ साइड से स्टार्ट है और टुवर्ड्स द ईस्ट साइड. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू हैव टू शो. सो ये जो ओरिएंटेशन आप दिखा रहे हो, फर्स्ट ड्रॉ दीज लाइन्स एंड शो दैट रोड इज टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ. तो इसलिए मैंने ये एरो नीचे दिखाया नॉर्थ साइड. ओके. सो आई होप दिस प्रॉब्लम इज क्लियर टू यू. प्लीज प्रॉपरली जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस लेक्चर बिकॉज आपको ये सभी आपके शीट्स में ड्रॉ करना है. ओके. बट एट योर होम ऑल्सो यू प्रैक्टिस. You take the scale, you take your drafter and draw it accordingly. So this problem will be for 20 marks. That is drawing the site plan. So ये मैंने first example start किया है, but in the next lectures also I will teach you 2-3 examples so that once this concept will be clear to you. Okay? Fine. Thank you.